Machu Picchu is a world-renowned place to visit, but why restrict yourself to one location? It could be easily combined with the Galapagos Islands.
Galapagos was a wonderful trip that we took it when we did.
Galapagos is special because of the behavior of the wildlife.
Animals that seem to have no fear of human beings.
And we decided to put Machu Picchu on here to get more bang for the dollar.
Machu Picchu is an extraordinary place.
This is on everybody's list of must-do places to see.
What you see in the Sacred Valley of the Incas is not just a dead culture and old buildings. It's a living, vibrant people.
It was so easy and so convenient and so pleasurable. The whole experience was magical.